Hello students, I am Dheeram Kumar Gupta. Today I am going to solve chapter 8 Introduction of Trigonometry exercise 8.1 and first question. What is first question? First question, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, and AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. So we have to find sin A cos A. First part, we have to find sin A cos A. Second part, sin C cos C. Sin C cos C. Okay. What is sin A? What is formula of sin A? What is formula of sin A? Sin A is formula of sin A is side opposite of angle A, side opposite of angle A divided by hypotenuse, This AC is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So side opposite of angle A means BC, upon AC. So BC is given, that is 7 centimeter. So we have to find hypotenuse AC. How to find hypotenuse AC? Yes, using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Next for cos A. What is formula of cos A? Cos A is side adjacent of angle A. Side adjacent of angle A means AB by hypotenuse AC. AB by AC. Okay. Now we are going to find hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Sum of square of two smaller sides equal to larger side, that is hypotenuse, equal to square of hypotenuse, means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Sum of square of two smaller side equal to the square of larger side. This is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Find AC square. AB is 24 square is 7 square. 24 square is 576. 7 square is 49. 9 6 15, carry 1, 7 4 11 12 carry 1 5 1 6 25. AC square is 625. 625 is square of 25. Square of 25 means AC is 25. No? Means on taking square root both side, we get AC is equal to 25 centimeter. AC is 25 centimeter. Okay. Note down. First question, sin A. What is sin A? Side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A, BC, and hypotenuse. Side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Okay, that is sin A equal to BC upon AC. BC is 7 centimeter and AC is 25 centimeter. This is answer. Okay, that is sin A equal to 7 upon 25. Next, cos A. Next, cos A. What is formula of cos A? What is formula of cos A? Side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse. Sides adjacent, side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse means cos A equal to AB upon AC. AB is 24 and hypotenuse is 24. Hypotenuse is 25. So answer cos A equal to, that is 24 upon 25. First part complete. Sin A is 7 by 25. Answer sin A is 7 by 25 and cos A is 24 upon 25. Next question. Second part, we have to find sin C cos C. Sin C cos C. Sin C. Sin C. What is sin C? This angle is sin C. So side opposite to angle C is AB and side adjacent to angle C is BC, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, write here formula. Side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse divided by hypotenuse, that is sin C. Okay, sin C is AB by AC. AB is 24 centimeter, is 25 centimeter. Okay, that is answer. 7C is equal to 24 upon 25. Okay, once again we have to find in second part sin C and cos C. For sin C, AB, side AB is a side opposite to angle C, and this side BC is a side adjacent to angle C. Okay, angle C, or this is a hypotenuse 25. So sin C is side opposite to angle C upon hypotenuse, that is AB by AC is 24 upon 25, that is sin C is 24 upon 25, and cos C cos C is side adjacent to angle C upon hypotenuse. Cos C is side adjacent, that is BC, upon AC. BC is 7 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25. So cos C is 7 upon 25. This is answer. First question is complete. Write down. Next question, question number 2. In figure 8.13, PQR, triangle PQR and right angle at Q. PQR. In figure, PQ is 12 centimeter. PQ is 12 centimeter and PR is 13 centimeter and PR is 13 centimeter. PR is 13 centimeter. We have to find 10P minus cot R. We have to find 10P minus cot 10P minus cot R. Okay, what is formula of 10? What is formula of 10? Side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A. This is the formula of 10. 10A. This is formula of 10A. Side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A. Means for tan P, this is the side opposite to angle A, that is QR and QR, and this is the side adjacent to angle P, that is PQ. Means QR by PQ, means QR by PQ. Okay, in cot R, for cot R, what is formula of cot R? That is side adjacent to angle R, side adjacent to angle R divided by side opposite to angle R. Side adjacent to angle R means QR, and side opposite to angle R, that is PQ. Means tan P is side opposite to QR upon PQ, and for cot R, this is opposite to, this is reciprocal to tan. What is reciprocal to tan? Reciprocal of tan. So cot R is side adjacent to QR, side adjacent to QR by side opposite to angle R, side opposite to angle R, that is QR by PQ. Both value are same, when we subtract tan P minus cot R, when you subtract tan P minus cot R, we get QR by PQ minus QR by PQ. We get QR by PQ minus QR by PQ. Both are equal value, cancel, answer is 0. Both are equal, answer is 0. Okay, you can solve by other method by using Pythagoras theorem. Find the QR. By using Pythagoras theorem, find QR, side QR, and write here value. And write here value. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem, when we find, by using Pythagoras theorem, we get the value of QR is 5. We get this value of QR is 5. That is, this is a 5 by 12, and this is also 5 by 12. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is 0. No? We solve this question by this way also. Okay, so I think it is clear. This is the question number 2. Question number 2. Third question. Question number 2. Third question. Sin A is 3 by 4. Question third. Solution. What is given? Sin A is 3 by 4. Okay. Find cos A tan A. Cos A tan A. If you want to find cos A or tan A. Okay, first of all, draw the figure. Angle A. Suppose right angle is at B. This is C. Okay, sin A is 3 by 4. Sin A is 3 by 4. Okay, so what is sin A? Sin A is a side opposite to angle A, that is BC by hypotenuse AC. Okay. For cos A, we have to find, for cos A, formula of cos A is side adjacent to angle A, that is AB by hypotenuse AC. AB upon hypotenuse AC. And tan A. Tan is a side opposite to angle A, that is BC upon hypotenuse AC. Means we have to find side adjacent AB. Means we have to find AB. Okay, how to find AB? By using Pythagoras theorem. Let sin A is side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Okay, that is sin A equal to BC upon AC. That is sin A equal to BC upon AC. Okay, and this equal to 3 by 4. 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 Suppose let BC is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 4K. Suppose let us consider BC is equal to 3K, AC is equal to 4K. So by Pythagorean theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Okay, so AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. This is 3K and this is 4K. This is 3K and this is 4K. Okay, now solve it. So AB square, what is the value of AC? 4K. 4K square plus BC is 3K. BC is 3K square, that is 16K square plus 9K square, that is minus 16 minus 9 is 7K square. This is AB. Okay, on taking square both side. What do you will get? What will we get? Okay, on taking square both side, we get under root 7K. So value of AB is under root 7K अंडर रूट 7k. Okay, अंडर रूट 7 of k. So cos A. So cos A. What is formula of cos A? Side adjacent to angle A and divide by hypotenuse. Okay, this is the formula of cos A. This is formula of cos A. This is a formula of cos A. Okay, so cos A equal to, that is AB by AC is AB upon AC, means that is root 7k upon 4k. Root 7k upon 4k. Okay, so k और k are cancel, so we get answer cos A is equal to root 7 upon 4. This is the answer. Okay, next find tan A. Find tan A. I think it's clear to all of you. Next, tan A. What is formula of tan A? What is formula of tan A? Side. What is formula of tan A? Side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A. Tan A. Side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A, means tan A equal to BC upon AB, means tan A equal to 3k upon root 7k. k cancel, the answer is 3 root 7. The answer is 3 root 7. Answer is 3 root 7. Got it? Any doubt? Simple. This is very simple questions. Okay, in this question this figure is given in which sin A is 3 by 4, in which sin A is 3 by 4. So we consider AB is 3k and AC is 4k. By using Pythagoras theorem we find the side AB, that is root 7k, that is root 7k, and we have to find in this question value of cos A and tan A. Value of cos A and tan A. So cos A, what is the formula of cos A? Cos A is a side adjacent to angle A. Cos A is side adjacent to angle A divided by hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC, that is root 7k upon 4k. k cancel, answer is root 7 by 4. Next for tan A. What is formula of tan A? Side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A. Okay, means BC upon AB. BC upon AB means 3k upon root 7k. k are cancel, and we get the answer tan is equal to root 3 by root 7. That is answer. That is it answer. Okay, next question, question number 4. Write down. Question number 4. Solution. What is given? Given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Given 15 cot A equal to 8. 15 cot A equal to 8. 15 cot A is equal to 8. So cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Okay, let us draw figure, right triangle, and suppose right angle at 8B. Suppose, okay, what is formula of cot A? Cot A is side adjacent to angle A, adjacent to angle A, and side opposite to angle A, means AB upon BC, means AB upon BC. Okay, so cot A is equal to 8 by 15 equal to AB by BC, means cot A is equal to AB by BC is equal to 8 by 15. 8 by 15. So consider. So let us consider AB is equal to 8K and BC is equal to 15K. AB is equal to 8K, BC is equal to 15K. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we find the hypotenuse. No? By using the Pythagoras theorem, we will find hypotenuse AC. We will find hypotenuse AC. Okay, proceed. We are going to find hypotenuse AC. Fine. Let us consider, suppose AB is equal to 8K. Suppose AB is equal to what? 8K, and BC is equal to 15K. AB is equal to 8K and BC is equal to 15K. By using Pythagoras theorem, find hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AB square BC square, AB square BC square, AC square AB square. Okay, the AB is 8K square and this is 15K square. Okay, this is 64K square, this is 225K square. Square of 15 is 225. On adding we will get what? 589, 289, 289. We will get 289. So AC square is 289K square. 289. It is a square of 289. It is a square of It is a square of 17. It is square of 17. Okay, on taking square root on both sides, on taking square root on both sides, we will get AC is equal to 17k. We will get hypotenuse is 17k. Okay, we get the hypotenuse 17k. 10k. Okay, here we have to find sin A. We have to find sin A. What is sin A? Side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. BC upon AC. BC upon AC means 17k by 15k by 17k, means 15k by 17k. 17a is equal to 15k by 17k. k cancel. Sin A is equal to 15 upon 17, equal to 15 upon 17. Okay, and sec A, okay, and sec A. First of all, find the cos. First of all, find cos. What is the formula of cos? What is the formula of cos? Cos A is equal to side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC. 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 So cos A, AB is 8k upon 17k, that is 8 upon 17. Sec A is 1 by cos A, reciprocal of cos A, that is 17 upon 8. The answer sec A is equal to 17 upon 8. I think it's clear. Any doubt, student? No. Note down.